It would be great to have someone who could do our work for us, right? Someone to prevent us from making mistakes. Someone to assist with our routine professionally and allow us to devote our time to communicating with our closest people. If only we could get results without wasting our time for nothing. Unfortunately, it's impossible in real life. But wait, Liteforex social trading. Spend your time doing what really matters to you.
Hi guys, good morning again. 10:15, 15 minutes towards UK retail sales. We are going to covering it live. Good morning, Mer. How are you doing? Hopefully everything is alright. Great to hear about the oil. Let's start with risk warning, guys. Please bear in mind trading effects on margin trading. Crypto on margin carries a high level of risk, may not be suitable for investors who can sustain loss of some or all initial investment. So please do not invest the money that you cannot afford to lose. Seek education, gain experience before risking real money. However, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. All right. Looks like Barnier destroyed our plan to buy cable on dip. Here I do have pound Swiss franc. I'm monitoring very closely. I like what is going on right now. So we are going to wait, of course, for the retail sales, but looks like the rally back towards the weekly open 23.30 might be possible. We need this small dot, right? We have not bad job market, we have not bad inflation. Now the positive comments from Barnier. So the weakest shorts on pound might be forced to cover, right? And especially that might translate into a little bit better sentiment. So that's why pound Swiss franc is my choice. Eventually pound yen, but in that case I would rather wait for the reaction on the US stocks. We are going to connect with Michał for a second. He has something for us in regards to Barnier comments, in regards to the Boris Johnson, as far as I remember. So let's have a look what Michał has for us, and then we will focus on the UK retail sales data. So bear with me for a second. Michał, hi, how are you doing?
Hello. I'm fine.
The train signaled that we are ready.
Yeah. Okay, this time will be very shortly. Okay.
Fast and furious.
Yes, very, very quick. Okay, about the euro, we have seen the still declining pound against euro. I think it's because of the likely to win the elections for the new chef of the Conservative Party, Boris Johnson, and also about the and also the weak data from the UK. Very, very, very poor. And when we talk about the pound to USD pair, I think the bulls right now are floating on the wave of the Fed rate cut that gave them the reason to go higher at the moment. And of course, if the volatility is higher than the pre-referendum from what I see, from what I read, and about another reason that you said about the Brexit, about the bulls on the pound, is that the commentary from the Barnier that he is ready to work about the alternative of the arrangement on the border between UK and Ireland, which is also the one of the biggest problems that UK Parliament have in terms of the Brexit deal, right? That is very, very, very a lot of discussion is about that, because it could be and also like the EU is supporting the Ireland, and that could be also the main reason this commentary that could force that could give the power to the bulls on the GBP. And if we talk about Johnson, it's not the mystery that he's the pro messy Brexit, pro hard Brexit. So it also gives the uncertainty on the market. And if we talk about his opponent, Hunt, he's likely he has 29% chances to win this election, and I think it will be not so. More probably Johnson will win, because the Hunt is more like Theresa May. He would like to extend the time for the Brexit deal as much as it is possible, and so I think the UK Parliament has done it already, has dealt with such a leader. So I think they will try to, unfortunately, something else. Yeah. So I think yeah. Can you go for the chart, or maybe you want to add something?
I'm going to go over the chart in a second. Just tell me your verdict for the next 4 hours. So tell me your verdict about the pound within the next 4 hours. So short term, and what's your opinion mid-term?
Short term, as we spoke about this Irish border, it is very, very important case. So I think after this commentary, the pound will be stronger. But in long term, about against euro and USD, but in the midterm, I think that the possibility of the rate cut will not. How to say this? The possibility of the rate cut will not thrive the bulls on the GBP that long. It will be like short term and in midterm. After some time, we will see a decline.
Okay.
In GBPUSD also.
Okay, Michał, thank you very much. So I'm going to get back to the charts. Have a great rest of the London session, and see you again during the New York Open.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so what we have in regards to the cable, that's what I've mentioned, that Barnier destroyed our plan to try to buy pound on dip. We are approaching a significant supply, the breakdown level 2480 25, that's what we discussed before. So that could be the challenge. A little bit better looks like the bears are trying to take over here, euro pound, but we have to be very careful as it might be some kind of the trap. So we are breaking right now, breaking 90.15. But let's have a look what we are going to get around the psychological 90 level. And as I mentioned, I'm focused on the pound Swiss franc. It might be interesting here. Still good distance towards the first possible target, especially that if we are going to put this supply over here from the 15-minute chart. We know exactly where we are. So if we are going to get close above 2290, I may try to join that party to the upside towards 2330 with tight stop below 2269. We will see. Of course, I'm going wait for a data. I want to see the first reaction, market reaction after the UK retail sales. We'll see. So less than 2 minutes left. Let's wait for a UK data. Just don't forget, we have another meeting later today. We are going to cover New York Open live. We start at 2 p.m. CET, 1 p.m. London, 8 a.m. Eastern. Thirty seconds. We'll see. So let's have a look what we have. Strong rally. First ticks to the upside here. Look like they retest 89 right ahead and spike higher. I'm not gonna chase the price. So what we have is a much better reading than what market was expecting. That might add fuel that would be good to try. So I'm going to grab half here. Sorry. I'm going to grab half here. Why half? Because its stop is quite wide here for me. It's 22 pips, and we are targeting 40, so it's like just 2 to 1. In case of deeper pullback, in case of retest 89.85, I may try to add, and my first target is what we discussed, the zone based on the 15-minute chart. So it's less than 2 to 1 even right now. That's my first target. Yeah, in case of pullback retest of 89.85, I may try to add. It's pure news trade. I wanna see move above 23. That would be great here. Just not to be disturbing by this order. Let's watch. That should be the case for us. That would do the job. We'll see. So yeah, the big reason why I took half is the distance, the size of the distance between entry and the stop. I will try to scale in if there are gonna be possibility. To have overall average stop around 12.14 in that case. We'll see if that's gonna be possible. The challenge here is going to be 2480 on the cable, which we are testing right now. That's gonna be the challenge. So we have one more test. So let's have a look what we are going to have it after all. What I would like to have here, because on the 5-minute chart doesn't look good right now with this upper shadow. As you can see, we are fighting. But what I would like to have here, if we are about to close like this, I want to see attempt to go lower like this, and then have something like this positive body with lower shadow. That would suit me best in case of scaling in. This shadow here might be good as well, but it's still a level where I was opening the previous one. It looks like cable here wants to go higher. It's holding 75. looks good from 1 minute chart perspective. First we hold this one on a retest. Oh no, not yet. That might be, yeah, we might see, I might watch for 70 with like 6 pips stop maybe or something, but I have to see specific price action around these levels eventually. What we're trying to hold right now, another breakout level. Okay, cable is holding. Cable is holding. Hopefully at the end it's not going to be like wrong trade, that correct on the pound, but wrong cross, right? Looks like cable is rising faster than pound Swiss franc. Anyway, if we are going to move back here, right? I assume this is the range, old range. So I'm going to wait at 50%. So I'm going to wait around 80 to 80. Similar stop below 74. That's what I'm gonna to look for, guys. It was my pleasure. Again, 2 p.m. CET, we are going to cover New York Open live. Be careful, monitor actively. If you are testing this one, monitor actively, and we will discuss it during the afternoon meeting. Have a great rest of the London session and see you during the New York Open. Goodbye, guys.